Marc Benioff, the visionary CEO of Salesforce Inc., just made a statement that should send shockwaves through Wall Street. AI now handles up to 50% of the internal work at Salesforce. Not customer service, not product demos, core business operations. AI is doing 30% to 50% of the work at Salesforce now, he revealed in a recent interview, calling this transformation the dawn of a digital labor revolution. In a world where investors are obsessing over rate cuts, inflation prints, and short-term volatility, Benioff is pulling our attention to a far bigger shift: the rise of intelligent software agents as a permanent part of the modern workforce. This isn't a niche innovation. It's a full-scale redefinition of enterprise productivity. Amid softening job growth and margin compression concerns, companies like Salesforce aren't just automating, they're re-architecting how value gets created. The goal? Higher efficiency, faster output, and lower costs with AI agents doing what used to require large human teams. And Salesforce isn't alone. Tech giants from Amazon to Klarna are scaling back headcount and doubling down on automation. This shift isn't just about labor, it's about the future of how businesses grow, and it's opening up a generational opportunity for investors. In today's video, we're diving into 3 stocks perfectly aligned with Benioff's bold vision. These are companies not just using AI, they're building the platforms, chips, and ecosystems that enable this intelligent automation at scale. As AI goes from being a tool to a coworker, these businesses stand to dominate the next decade of enterprise technology. So if you're trying to understand where the future of work and value is heading, keep watching. First on the list is Salesforce Inc., ticker symbol CRM, once known purely as a CRM giant, now emerging as a frontrunner in the race to automate enterprise work with AI. CEO Marc Benioff recently revealed that artificial intelligence is already handling up to 50% of Salesforce's internal operations. That's not a vision for the future. It's happening right now, and it's powered by the company's growing Agentforce platform, which already boasts over 4,000 paying customers and is targeting 1 billion active agents by year-end. This transformation signals something bigger than just improved margins. It's the reinvention of enterprise software as a living, thinking workforce. Salesforce isn't just adding AI features to its tools, it's re-engineering its business model around agentic AI. The recent acquisition of Informatica is a major step forward, giving Salesforce access to a robust data catalog and metadata infrastructure that enhances its ability to automate workflows at scale. Informatica's Claire AI platform fits seamlessly into Salesforce's data cloud, helping users manage, refine, and deploy data with minimal coding. Together, these tools create a vertically integrated AI ecosystem designed for scale and speed, an edge that's increasingly vital as demand for intelligent automation surges across industries. Even after enduring a market correction tied to trade policy fears, Salesforce bounced back with stronger than expected guidance. It raised full-year projections for both revenue and earnings, backed by sustained growth in subscription revenue and a healthy $60.9 billion in long-term obligations. That's a strong signal that customer demand remains intact and likely growing, as more businesses look to AI not just to optimize tasks, but to drive entire workflows. As AI reshapes how work gets done, Salesforce is already ahead of the curve, embedding intelligence directly into the heart of business operations. With a renewed focus on agentic AI, expanded capabilities from recent acquisitions, and a clear vision from leadership, Salesforce is positioning itself not just as a CRM leader, but as the digital command center for the AI-powered enterprise. Next is Amazon.com Inc., ticker symbol AMZN, a company that's quietly becoming one of the most powerful players in AI and robotics, even though much of the market still views it primarily as an e-commerce and cloud giant. While Tesla grabs headlines with robotaxi demos and humanoid prototypes, Amazon is already deploying robots at scale. From warehouse automation to custom AI chips to its robotaxi unit Zoox, Amazon is building a future where intelligent machines don't just support its business, they run it. What sets Amazon apart is its deeply integrated strategy. It has over 750,000 robots already working across fulfillment centers, handling everything from sorting to lifting, with AI-powered systems like Proteus and Sparrow operating autonomously. These aren't concepts, they're working systems driving operational efficiencies right now. On the delivery side, Amazon is piloting drone deliveries through Prime Air and testing humanoid delivery robots to extend automation to the final mile. It's a complete AI to robotics supply chain, engineered, deployed, and optimized in-house. Amazon's AI investments also go far beyond robotics. Through AWS, it offers cloud infrastructure to some of the largest AI startups and is developing custom chips via Annapurna Labs, giving it more control over AI performance and cost. One of its AI partners, Anthropic, is already using these chips for model training, proving that Amazon's hardware ambitions are more serious than most realize. Then there's Zoox, Amazon's bet on autonomous vehicles. While the media has focused on Tesla's robotaxi rollout, Zoox is preparing for commercial launch in Las Vegas and San Francisco. If successful, this could create a new multi-billion-dollar revenue stream tied to the booming mobility-as-a-service sector. Put it all together, and Amazon becomes much more than a retailer or a cloud provider. It's a vertically integrated AI and robotics powerhouse, one that's operating efficiently, scaling quietly, and positioning itself to benefit from every layer of the automation economy. For investors looking to capture the full arc of AI's transformation, from warehouse to sidewalk to server room, Amazon is not just a player, it might be the platform. And rounding out the list is Palunteer Technologies Inc., ticker symbol PLTR, a company that's quickly transforming from a niche government contractor into a foundational layer of the AI-powered industrial world. While many still associate Palunteer with defense analytics, the real story now is digital twins and agentic workflows. Palunteer isn't just enabling companies to visualize data, it's giving them tools to simulate, automate, and optimize their operations in real time. With hyperscaler integrations across AWS, Azure, and Databricks, and a cloud-agnostic architecture, Palunteer is positioning itself as the orchestration engine behind the next generation of enterprise software. The heart of this transformation lies in Palunteer's ontology-driven platform, Foundry, which stitches together data from IoT sensors, ERP systems, and AI models into a unified interactive layer. This enables businesses to not only monitor but act, deploying AI agents that make real-time decisions, adapt to demand shocks, and even optimize supply chains autonomously. And with AI compute costs falling at an exponential rate, thanks to advances like AWS Trainium 2 and upcoming NVIDIA Blackwell chips, the economics of deploying Palunteer-powered solutions are only becoming more compelling. What's especially impressive is that Palunteer isn't just growing, it's accelerating. The company just posted 39% revenue growth, with commercial sales in the US surging 71% year-over-year. Even more telling, commercial revenue has now surpassed government revenue for the first time, signaling broad adoption across industries. With over $4 billion in cash and zero debt, Palunteer is also one of the few high-growth tech firms in a strong financial position to scale aggressively without external pressure. As the global economy races toward agentic automation and digital twin adoption, Palunteer sits at the center of that transformation. From confidential computing to edge AI, it's solving the toughest infrastructure problems that come with enterprise-wide intelligence. And while some may debate its valuation, few can question the trajectory. Palunteer isn't chasing the future, it's architecting it. And for investors looking at who will power the AI-first enterprise, Palunteer looks less like a bet and more like a foundational layer of the next industrial revolution. AI and robotics aren't just buzzwords, they're reshaping the core of how businesses operate, scale, and compete. Salesforce is embedding intelligent agents into the enterprise. Palunteer is powering real-time decisions through digital twins, and Amazon is turning warehouses, cloud infrastructure, and delivery systems into AI-driven ecosystems. These aren't speculative ideas. They're live, operational, and accelerating. As we enter a new phase of automation, the companies that are deploying AI at scale today are likely to dominate tomorrow. If you believe in the future of intelligent workforces and automated industries, these three stocks deserve a spot on your radar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insight into the companies building the future.